This has been an epic storm event, the likes I've never seen before. I worked tons of storms all over the country, but this one is epic. That's why we're here today trying to get this main feeder up out of Cottle River. The main thing that happened here is this incredible embankment where we had 4 55-foot concrete poles that toppled over in the Cottle River, and of course several of them is underwater, and it's a daunting task to try and recover them and get them resituated to heat the circuit up. We have a contract crew, one of many that we have on facilities today that are here, the Milestick contract crew, incredible group of guys that I give them all respect. You know, they've been doing this for many years, and many of them, you know, including myself, enjoy the fact of helping people, you know, coming together to try to get people power back on and restore them to some sense of normalcy. And so we enjoy doing it. And so we're here today doing just that. I'm almost at the end of my time to retire, and I thought I was going to dodge the bullet, and here I am right in the middle of of an epic storm. So, but I'm enjoying it, you know, being able to help people, you know, get the power restored back to some sense of normalcy. So I'm happy to do that.